Hello everybody, in this video I want to show you how to make a quick money farm in Terraria. And yeah, so we're gonna need a few things. You're gonna need some stone blocks, you're gonna need wood blocks, you're gonna need to be ideally post Plantera, or you can do it without being post Plantera. So let me just show you so it's easier to understand. So yeah, I already got the Terrarian, you know, I'm stacked on this game, so yeah. So what I made here is, as you can see here, these are the post hard mode biomes, Hollow and Corruption. I made the barrier here so it doesn't spread on my world, and there I made a separate box for the farm, so anything I put in the farm, it doesn't spread. So I'm gonna show you the basic setup. So as you can see, this is in the how they call it, in the sun biome, and I just mined it out, and then I have here a bunch of stone blocks. I have 80 golem blocks with lizard blocks. Sorry, you don't need to have them, but they're gonna make things drop jungle stuff. And I have over 300 ice blocks. And yeah, and this enables me first because I'm in the forgot how it's called. In the sun biome, I get the sand spawns, which you can see the ghouls, the scorpions. Then I get the Plantera drops because I'm in the considers it as jungle. And then I get all the underground drops, and I get the ice drops. So I had once a few ice mimics dropping, spawning, and then killing them. And how this works is that I have a place I camp inside here. I break it and I sit there. And then I turn on the timer, and it automatically makes spike balls fall down. And I have here some fire gazers, which put fire. And then, as you can see, all the drops go up the conveyor belts. I don't have them on me right now, but you can buy them from the steampunker. So what you can do if you want is you don't need to have the golem blocks. You just need to put the ice, and you just put the a stone here, and you make it really long, because mobs spawn on the outside of your screen, so just make it really long. Make it areas in the middle, and just make all the things come in the middle with these things. And by the way, to make it smooth, you just use your hammer and you make it smooth by just hammering it. Just saying, because I had an issue there. So yeah, I want to keep this short, but you get the point. You can make it a bit smaller, of course, and you can use different types of ways to kill the mobs. So yeah, and that's the idea. I made in 20 minutes, I made like 85 gold. As you can see, the ice just spawned there. I made mainly from drops. I got a Yellet, I got the frozen key. Actually, I got it. You don't sell it, but still, it was pretty funny. And I did get two ice mimics spawned, and stuff like that. So yeah, it did work for me, you know. So yeah, I just try to make it simple, so hopefully you understand it. I'm gonna give you one more look. Clear area, stone, golem, lizard blocks, whatever, and snow blocks. Killing, way to kill them, and yeah, and the conveyor belt to move the things to the middle. That's the idea. Oh look, I just got the jungle key. Guys, what? I just got the jungle key on video. That's crazy. I didn't even need it. Well, whatever. Thank you, Terraria. Anyway, yeah, you get it. And if you want to be fancy, you can buy the I think it's called pink solution, and spread the corruption and make corruption things spawn. So yeah, you can advance it later on, and you can expand it. So yeah, please, if you did enjoy this video, and if you liked the jungle key drop, leave a like, and that's gonna be it. See you in the next one. Goodbye.